Are you ready? What was that sound? Your throat. Michelle had an idea and went and bought some card. It's kind of like it's like cardboard, but it's got like...
It's foam board.
Foam board. It's got like a sponge in the middle. You know those photos that you get when people are like looking through the blinds and you get those shadows across their face? So she wanted to cut a bunch of different lines or patterns out and shine some light through it up against the plain wall and see if we can make something a bit artistic. She kind of got this idea though first where we do a lot of videos on Firework, which is a new app platform for short video content. And one of the challenges was hashtag shadow, and she was keen to do and thinking out the box for what we can do with shadow on a video. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. We thought we'd make a YouTube video and show you some photos. Let's do it. Okay, so that little B-roll stunt that you saw over there took forever, and this is what we made. So this is the one that we made, kind of looks like an American flag. This is the other. We're hoping it's going to have like some form of lines, I don't know, some and then this is Michelle's favorite one. She says it looks like a window when the light's on. So you'll see what we're going to do now. So I'm going to put the camera on a time lapse, and then you guys can kind of see. So we have a single light source over here, LED light, and then we have like an LED wand, I could say that, over here. Whether it be red, green or blue, we're going to try it out. I've never done anything like this before, so worth the shot. Let's see what happens. And then, oh yeah, I'm going to switch the ring light off so it looks a little bit darker in here. I'll put some of the photos on the screen. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you're keen, try it out. Cut some card out, tag us on Instagram, whatever. That's the handle. Make it green.
Why you be all in my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a line for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket, and I'ma need...
Okay, so we're going to quickly change this blind American flag thing and try the... I have no idea what this is. Give it a shot.
The money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted.